Yo, what's up? Let's see if we can see that. Yeah, so those just showed up today. They look nice and schmal. Don't know the comparison just yet. Nice little comparison there. So it's just a little bit bigger. Not too much. A few millimeters hanging over the end. It's not even a centimeter. Emax. Let's see, Emax. Right there. This is analog. Comes in at 12 grams. The Mofo Black Label comes in at 23 grams. So, just to warn the Canadian buyers of this, to get 2 of these to my door cost me almost $180. Alright, so I'm just about to install these, just pulling out the old ones, and I velcroed my receiver combo onto the top of the ESC because I figured it's kind of a tight space and now I can pull it out and get easy access to the pins. So anybody else doing that, little 3M frickin' velcro is fantastic for this. Alright, so she's done. Got them in there. Couldn't use those guys. The angles were wrong. And there's these little, you can see it, it kind of lifts up right there. So the servo actually has to stick out too far, and then the steering angle here, it's like way out. It doesn't work out at all. Doesn't enjoy that, this piece right here. So you got to use the Mofo mounts, servo mounts. They're not bad. Got to mount it all the way forward for this guy right there. Can't go anywhere back here or it puts too much twist on this arm. Nice and strong. Just what I was looking for. So that's going to be cool. You can hear a little bonky. So this arm right here, this chassis arm, does hit the top of the servo. I might put a little bit of padding there, just like a piece of tape, just to get rid of the noise. But there's lots of power. And you can barely hear anything. They're nice and quiet. They're not noisy like the Emax at all. So it should make for some pretty fun climbing. They lined up really nicely as well with their servo horns. So yeah, it's all on there.
Peace.